Happy 40th birthday, Mitch!
Happy birthday, Michelle!
Happy birthday, Michelle! Senior na kami. Kamusta na sa'yo? May have more birthdays to come.
Hi, Tegoy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ulen! Miss you!
Hi, Ate Michelle! Happy birthday! It has been a while since the last time we've seen each other, no? Pero sigurado ako na you're still pretty and sexy. Enjoy your time with your family, your children. Kaya kasama sina Tita Ayet, sina Mike. Happy birthday ulit and God bless you.
Hi Mitch, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and success in everything that you do. Always take good care of yourself. Enjoy your special day with your family and say hi to the kids. Hope to see you soon. We love you. Bye.
Hi, Michelle! Surprise! Happy birthday! It's been a long time since nagkasama tayo. I think that's 1 year old pa si Yvonne. Pero now she graduated na. Dalagan-dalaga na siya. She's 24 years old. So, biruin mo yun. Ang tagal na natin hindi nagkita. Pero I'm not sure kung nandito ka sa Rosbanas, sa LB. Pero ako, dito pa din ako sa LB. So, if mapasyal ka dito, message me. Siguro, kapi-kapi tayo. Sa labas, ang daming kapihan dito sa LB. So, miss you na. Sana nga may time tayo mag-catch up. Okay? So, again, enjoy your birthday. More birthdays to come. And then, love. Miss you.
Hi, baby Miss. Happy birthday. I miss you and hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Actually, hirap na hirap ako gawin itong video na to. So, gusto ko na lang pumunta dyan. Pero, eto, syempre, good health sa'yo and ang hirap mong hanapin sa FB. So, minsan pag naalala kita, kailangan ko pang i-type yung, halimbawa si Mike or si Tita Mayet and then hanapin ko yung mutual friend. Ayun. So, sana makapunta dyan soon and I'm proud of your mga achievements ng mga anak mo rin, sila Bianca sa si Ishi. Yun. So, hirap na yung lolo ko sa pag-video na to. I love you and take care always.
Hi, Mitch! Happy birthday! Big 40! Welcome to Fabulous at 40. Dilijud ta nagatigulang, nagagwapa lang. Wala na akong mahuna-hunaan, basta stay gwapa and young at heart. Madami na tayong mga pinagdaanan, so I'm so lucky to be part of your 40 years of experience. So sana mas patuloy ka pang maging resilient sa life at more and more na happiness pa. Happy birthday! All the love and all the way from Australia. Miss ya!
Michelle, happy birthday, Neng! 23 nga. 23 ba ngayon? Sa ano pa? Sa 23 po.
40 years old na.
Ay, 40 ka na? Nanay na talaga, ha? Sige talaga, happy birthday! Love you! Pati sa mga apo ko, yung apo ko dalawa, tsaka kay Mark. Ha?
Murky.
Marky?
Murky.
Si Marky. Birthday! Love you!
Hello po. Happy birthday, Ate Michelle. Hope ko lang na you have a great and beautiful future and a loving, caring, and helpful family.
Happy birthday, Michelle. Kumusta na kayo? Sana at your age na mapito yung karawan stay healthy and successful yung family and the whole family and your daughter. Salamat.
Hi Mitch, hello, purat ka no? I just want to say happy birthday and many more birthdays to come, and mag-iingat ka palagi and success to your career, and I miss you all. Bye bye, happy birthday, mama.
Hi! Happy birthday! Hi, Michelle! Happy birthday! Naalala mo pa ba na ganito ka kalaki na nilaalagaan kita? Eh ngayon, Diyos ko, 40 na! Ang tanda ko na pala. Pero Mira, ganito kita inaalagaan. Sana marami ka pang magandang mangyayari sa buhay mo. Matagal ka pa at marami ka pang haharapin hanggang sa kaapu-apuhan mo. Ito ako, may apo na ako, kaya iba generation na. Naalala ko lang nung inaalagaan kita na ganito kaganda. Ay nako, hindi ko na imagine, 16 lang ako nung inaalagaan kita. At ngayon, ikaw na ang dakilang nanay. I'm happy for you. Sana successful lahat. Successful ang iyong magiging hanggang sa apo mo, sa mga anak mo. Alam kong kaya mo, haharapin mo lahat ng ito, pero kayang-kaya mo. Di ba? Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi. Hello, Ate Mitch. Happy birthday. Ako? Ilang taon na ba? 16. Yeah, happy 16th birthday. At ako, darating lang coming from fellowship, couples fellowship. Sayang nga, wala si Mami. But then again, I know Mami is enjoying the company ng inyong kayong mag-anak, and most especially with Tutoy, with Mike. Yeah. And ito, katatapos nga rin lang namin ng fellowship, katatapos din ng kain. Gusto ko ng konti. And maraming katanong kay Mami doon. Sabi ko nga, yeah, natin sa airport, and for next week, pauwi na rin. Now, going back sa iyong sa iyong birthday, well, sana maging masaya, maging maayos ang buhay, at maging mapayapa ang pagsasama inyo ni Attorney Merck, at maayos ang pag-aaral ng mga bata. We're always praying naman, kami ni Mami, na yun na, maraming pagkakataon na napapag-usapan ikaw at ang mga bata na very studious, at wala namang problema sa kanila.
Mary and Michelle, wow, 40 ka na. Such a big milestone. Parang ako lang nasa high school lang tayo sa South Generally talks tayo ngayon at at magkatabi pa na tayo sa profile bios. Parang gusto ko basahin ang sinulat tungkol sa iyo ng high school. So Michelle is notable for bagging awards in parties, acquaintance for the Lady of the Night, 1998. Acquaintance for the Best Dress, 1999. JS Prom 2000, Couple of the Night. And JS Prom 2001, Couple of the Night as well. Grabe, ako ka na po sa high school. Tagal na natin yung nagkikita. Feeling ko yung college na. This is nagkikita tayo. I do remember na nagkikita sa Golita noong 2002. At syempre, na-unread ko rin ang iyong invite way back when wala pa noon 18 treasures. So, hindi na ka naman high school stuff. And nakakapagod na rin guys. Lalo na yung sa inyo here. Tayo nila JB, Gohan, Rhea, namin pa natin yung pictures nila sa videos. Catch up. Pagpalang mo na ganyan mo siya. Sa Los Baños, kita ko para makapagpagpunan tayo sa sisters na kusina ang pangalan nila. But for now, happy 40th trip around the sun.
Hi Michelle, happy birthday! Speaking of birthdays, I'll always remember yung studio picture mo dun sa party invitation dati sa when you have your birthdays sa classroom ng elementary. Sana tinuloy mo hanggang high school, pero tanda ko nag-enjoy naman tayo dun sa dinner natin also on your birthday nung nagpunta tayo nila Joanne and the others sa mall. Bilang nagmana sa napakagandang mama, you were always nominated and eventually get elected as the section news. Tapos, here comes Miss Intrams nung high school na nagkaroon pala ng kasi, di ba may i-appoint na si Madam. Eh dahil competitive at saka pala decision committee na, ayun, ikaw yung finish namin to change, yun, alam na. And then, remember every Friday we are naka-civilian. So nagkataon na tayong 5 or 4, tapos minsan na lang nagpalit, o yata yun, na sayang naman na pare-pare tayo ng suot. So, pa-picture na lang tayo then to commemorate. Gusto ko na yung mga wall pictures. Hindi ko lang maalala kung bakit hindi namin siya magawa sa hapon. So, pinilit natin na lunch. Kaso, bawal tayong lumabas. So, ginawa talaga natin ng paraan. Ang ginawa natin is tumakas tayo gamit yung service nila Joanne na halos nakahiga na tayo sa sahig ng sasakyan para hindi lang mahuli yung inspection. Although nahuli din naman tayo eventually na hintihan na lang ni Joanne kaya tayo napalabas. So, yun yung mga kalokohan natin ng high school. I hope you still remember them. And again, happy birthday!
Hello! Happy birthday, Michelle! It's been such a long time since we've seen each other. But the last thing that I know of is that you already have a beautiful family. Congratulations! I wish you good health, happiness, and safety always. And they asked me one fond memory that I have about you. Well, one thing that I really remember is your birthday invitations every year during our elementary days. So, I always look forward to your invitations with your glamour picture on it. So, yeah, yun yung isang natandaan ko. And, I was kind of like looking for invitation that I kept. But, unfortunately, I can't find it right now. But, I was able to find a letter that you wrote me. I hope you see it. But, yeah, this is written by you, given to me. So, anyway, happy birthday, and you have a good one. Bye.
Birthday, Happy Mitch! We love you!